We're cutting across visuals from Mumbai. These are visuals of Sheezan Khan, the co-actor of Tunisha Sharma, who has been taken into police custody on charges of abetment to suicide. Now he's been taken from the Valif police station to the Vasai Court in Mumbai. And we're getting these live visuals of the same as he's been taken to the court. The Vasai Court is where he is going to be produced. Remember, we had also told you about how Sheezan's mother's statement has been taken by the police. We will get you more details about that too. And the fact that Sheezan has now been taken to the Vasai Court from the Valif police station where he was detained, where he was in police custody. Taking this across to my colleague Vinaya, who's joining us on the broadcast. Vinaya, we do know that Sheezan is now going to be produced before the Vasai Court. The details that you are picking up on that, and also what has come out of the mother's statement, considering her statement also was taken, Sheezan's mother.
Well, yes, Sheezan is being taken to the Vasai Court now. Remember, he was in police custody for the last 4 days, and now he will be produced in front of the court again. It is likely that the police, the Valif police, which is investigating the case, will further seek his custody for interrogation. The claim of police sources right now is that they need some more information with respect to piecing down whatever conversations have taken place between the duo towards the last few days, and that is why they will likely need his further interrogation in the custody. Meanwhile, we have also been able to access the copy of the FIR in the Tunisha Sharma death case, wherein we have seen that the FIR has been given by her mother, who has given out in her statement that Tunisha was in love with Sheezan and that she was upset after the breakup. In fact, that she had also suffered from a panic attack and that the doctor had told her mother as well to take care of her physical and emotional well-being and had prescribed some drugs to her. But she was absolutely devastated is what the mother has told the police in the FIR that has been lodged. She also said in her FIR that Tunisha had requested her that efforts be made to request Sheezan to return to her and that she would not be happy otherwise. Likewise, the mother said that she went on the set and did speak with Sheezan to request him to, get back with Tunisha. But in front of Tunisha itself, the mother has said in the statement, he refused to get back into the relationship, saying that he did not love her anymore. And that is where the mother has said that within the next 2 days or so, she received a call from the set saying that her daughter had locked herself up in a room, and that is where she went, took an auto and went to the location. So this is the FIR copy that we have been able to access, the FIR in which Tunisha's mother has given a statement to the police, giving out the details of the case. Back to you.
Vinaya, thanks so much for putting out, the FIR copy that CNN News 18 has access. We are once again talking about the same, Tunisha's mother's statement that's been accessed by CNN News 18, like Vinaya was mentioning. The mother has gone on to say that Tunisha used to love Sheezan Khan, and she was in fact very upset that he in fact had broken up with her. She wanted him to return. The doctor in fact had also told the mother that Tunisha wasn't keeping well. She also had a panic attack. This is what the mother has also mentioned, because she wanted Sheezan back in her life. And according to the mother, she'd also tried to convince Sheezan, she tells the police, but owing to the fact that Sheezan did not love Tunisha back, he did not want to come back into her life. Now, Vinaya, the claims that the mother is making also talk about the serious thing about Tunisha being under depression, needing help. Is there any sort of a statement that was, or probably any sort of a request that was made to the set member so that she can be taken care of? Do we know about any of those details? Is the police really investigating on those lines as well?
Well, the police have said that they will investigate all the possible angles with respect to the case, and clearly the fact that she was mentally upset and was depressed as well is something that has been put out from the first day itself. So even in the on the first day when the police had issued a statement, they had said that they were aware that she was upset and that she was depressed because of certain incidents. So it is not yet known on whether there was any request from the family to the set asking for any special attention or help with respect to Tunisha's depression. But what we gather from the FIR copy that we have been able to access, in which the mother has filed the complaint, is that the mother was fully aware. In fact, the doctor had specifically told the mother that Tunisha's physical as well as mental well-being is something that needs to be taken care of, and that she was not in the great of health at that particular point. So what we know definitely is that the mother was aware that Tunisha was also undergoing some medical treatment for the same. She was given some medication for the same, and that the mother had also gone on the set to meet Sheezan to request him to reconsider his decision. Apart from that, whether others on the set were requested for any help or whether they were aware is something that we as of now do not know about, and that the police they are probing into all possible angles into the case.
Also, Vinaya, now that he's taken out of the Valik police station, he's being taken to the Vasai Court. Of course, the police custody ends today. The police want further custody of Sheezan, and I'm sure he must have applied for bail in court, considering he's been charged with abetment to suicide. So a court only can grant him bail. What is happening on the grounds of which that the police is seeking further custody?
Well, the police have not yet sought further custody. They will seek it once he is produced in the court. As we have seen, he has already left the Valik police station in order to reach the court. Once he will be produced, sources tell us it is likely that the police will further seek his further custody, likely on the grounds that they need to piece together the last few conversations in the last few days before Tunisha took the step, and that is why they need to probe Sheezan further.
All right, Vinaya, stay on.